Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to grow your Facebook page followers or your Facebook page likes using the Facebook Ads Manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also visit the description section for more related content. Meta is doing a lot of changes, so make sure you try to familiarize yourself with different features and what they are called, so that in case they make an update, you can still catch up within a short time. So let's jump right straight into this video. So visit ads.facebook.com or ads manager. So visit adsmanager.facebook.com. Make sure you've logged into your Facebook account before doing this. Next, we're going to switch to our preferred ad account. So click on this drop down. Then we can search if you know the ad account you want to work on. So make sure you use your business prepaid or postpaid ad account. So select this one. If you want to have one, you want us to set up one for you professionally, do well to book a consultation or contact us to place a booking. Okay, so we're going to click on create. So under engagement. Next, we'll click on continue. Next, we'll click on manual engagement. Click on continue again. Okay. So next, let's call it page likes. Okay, so you can either set your budget at the campaign level or add set budget. So let's set it at the campaign budget. So there's no big deal. So you can do 5,000 or 4,000 naira per day or 10,000, depending on what you prefer. Okay, so this ads is not a special ad category, so we skip that and click on next. Don't forget where we just finished is called the campaign level, and where we are going to now is called the ad set level. So we're going to set a name for this ad set. We can call it set 001. Okay, so under the conversion, you could, and under the conversion location, you select Instagram or Facebook. Okay, so after that, you click on, under the performance goal, you click on this drop down and select maximum number of page likes. Okay, so under the page, we're going to select the page we want to work with. So select Grite. So that is the Grite page we want to work with. So we scroll down. Okay. So we want it to start running as soon as possible. You can also set an end date if you want, but we will not for this. Okay, so you can target the whole of Nigeria, or if you want to add more region, you could still add. Okay, let me just add one more. Let me target people in Ghana. Okay, so people in Ghana. Okay, so we scroll down again. So we're not doing any detailed targeting for this level because, okay, performance goal isn't available. What performance goal? Okay, let's try to remove this Ghana. Let's see. So let's click on it again. Maximum number of page likes. Okay, let's continue. All right, so we're just going to work with Nigeria. Then we'll leave every other thing. Then we'll click on next. Okay, for this one, this is the ad level. So we'll call it ad 001. So under our Facebook page, so we click on setup creative, then use image. You can also use a video if you want. So I'm going to select, you can also upload an image here, or you select from your page. So let's click on page. I'm going to select this April. We're in the month of April. Then click on next. Okay, for the primary text, I'm going to write something simple. Experience the best thing this period with Bright. Okay, like and follow for more. So we'll click on next again. These are other options, so we could leave it also. So we'll click on next. For generating AI, you could also allow it. Okay, then select as much as you like. Okay, I could just select this one, this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, that's all. So click on done. Okay, so we're good to go. So you can duplicate your ad. So you can duplicate your ad, or you could publish and then duplicate later. It's good to use multiple creative under that budget to optimize your ads delivery. But let's launch before duplicating. So click on publish. So if you need help with any of this, kindly book a consultation with one of our experts to get help. Always visit the description section of this video. We're going to provide more resources to help you succeed in advertising and in business. So you can edit this campaign by clicking here or click on here. Whichever one, they do the same thing. So we click on the edit pencil. Then we're going to duplicate this. So let's say duplicate into 3. Let's leave a video. Okay, we can add a video if we want. So click on duplicate. Okay, so we click on duplicate again. So this is where you can select the number. Is it 1 or 2? So let's just duplicate 2 so that you're going to see. So click on duplicate. Okay, so if you're confused with all of this you're seeing, just click on continue to editor. All right, but you could take your time and observe it. Okay, so we're gonna edit this and call it 2. Okay, so let's scroll down. So add media, add an image. So which image? We could still use our Facebook flyer. Let's just use this one. Then click on next. Okay, this one I can say grow with us. Okay, so click on next. Okay, let's click on done. I'm gonna skip this one. Okay, so once you're done, you simply publish, preview, and publish. So you preview and publish. So you can see this is what it looks like. This time around, I'm going to click on this edit to edit the next ad level. To edit the next ad. So select this one. We're gonna call this one 3. Okay. So scroll down, click on add media, then click on add video. So we can select any. Okay, let's select this video. Okay, then click on next. Okay, just click on done. We're gonna leave this one. So we preview and publish. Okay, so let's do the last one. You can also stop here. It's not necessary that you must use everything. Okay, but let's just finish it. So you're gonna see that this was completed. Okay, so we're rounding up already. Okay, so we click on add. Then add video. Okay, let's add an image for this one. So for this one, we're going to upload something. So click on upload. So you know that you can actually upload things. Then you search from your laptop wherever you keep your stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to use one of these flyers. Okay, let's use this one. Then you click on next. Okay, so we're going to leave this. You could also update yours if you want. Then click on next again. Then you could also allow the AI to optimize depending on what you prefer. Okay. Okay, so we could also select this one. Okay, or this, on this. A lot of nice stuff here. Okay, let's just select as much as we want. You can also select some of these ones. Okay, so that's enough. Let's click on done. Okay, so click on preview and launch. You could scroll down. Check out. So this is what it looks like. So you see the follow button, we preview and publish. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. And visit the description section to explore more resources to help you succeed with meta advertising. All right, so that's all.